Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make an easy square panoramic graphic art wall decor using some photo frames. I'm going to use two sizes of photo frames, the small one and the big one. The big one is 8 by 10 inches and the small one is 4 by 6 inches. I'm going to remove the glass from the frame and keep them aside. You can keep the glass and use it for another project in the future. These kind of arts are all over the internet. They cost a bunch of money, but you can make it easily using this method. It's very budget friendly. You will need to arrange these frames in a shape to see if you like it. Once I was happy with the shape, I started gluing them using hot glue gun. Make sure not to burn yourself. I hope you like this project. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you would like to see more of these decor ideas. Thank you so much for watching.